What's up, guys? Welcome back to Baked Foods. Today in this video, we're gonna be making. What are we making, man?
We're making a Mediterranean-style chicken thigh that is going to be out of this world. Wait a minute, man. Something doesn't feel right.
You're right.
Alright, so here we have some finely ground up anchovies that we made into our own kind of anchovy paste. First that in. Whoops.
Two different bowls.
Wrong bowl. I just realized I wanted the bigger bowl. Here we have roughly 6 sprigs of thyme into our mixing bowl also. Zest 1 whole lemon into the bowl. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. It's about a big clove. I might go a little under actually on this. It's about 2 cloves of garlic in measurement. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. One. 2. We're adding 2 teaspoons of oregano leaves. Say that was 1.
1 teaspoon of crushed chili flakes.
And pull out our sprigs and set off to the side until we are ready for the plating of the chicken. Well, the traying of the chicken. Just gonna go ahead and give these a very light peppering. And one at a time, we're going to coat and toss these. So it's got a nice even coating. Okay.
Now we're gonna prepare our potatoes. Italian seasoning, some olive oil, a little bit of ground black pepper.
Just a tiny pinch of salt because there is a little bit of anchovy residue in there still.
It's about a teaspoon. Teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and toss in your potatoes. Mix those up nicely.
My favorite part. Bacon!
So we've just got some diced up, cubed up bacon here. And we're just going to kind of disperse it randomly.
Just kind of going in between the chicken here. This guy didn't give very much, so I'll just go ahead and do that.
We're just going to use a little bit of our green onion here. We're just going to bake that for about 40 minutes. Ben sets his timer. He gave me so much.
I was just about to say, because I know how my microwave works. I just accidentally clicked start twice and then look, kitchen timer's running.
He gave me so much grief
Kitchen timer's running.
for our last video, or one of our previous
He
videos,
doesn't know how to use my microwave. What are you doing?
which I'm going to link. Okay, now we're just going to add our cherry tomatoes. Are they cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes? Does it matter?
These are Cherry tomatoes, I want to say.
Cherry tomatoes. And we're just going to put this back into the oven for another 10-15 minutes and just blister the skins of the tomatoes.
Look at that.
That's a thing of beauty. I'm fighting back the urge to just grab a piece of that chicken right now. It looks amazing.
Just gonna give that a nice juicing over everything. Oh, look at that. Get that seed out of there. She's ready for eating.
Give it a try.
Cut into this chicken here. Oh my goodness, that is so moist. Look at the steam coming off of that. That is just how you keep a chicken perfectly juicy and moist. The best part, the dark meat. Mmm.
I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Until the next one.
Hello, everybody. Oh.
Hi!
Hi, guys. We're here.
Bendy spoon, you know.